Hello everyone and welcome to Nail Art channel. Today I am teaching you President's Day Nail Art Design Step by Step Guide. Before we start our today's design, let's talk about the background of George Washington was the first president of the United States of America. His first term as president was from 1789 to 1793 and his second term from 1793 to 1797. Before he became president, he played important role in the military, leading the American Continental Army to victory over the British in 1783. Washington is often seen as the father of the United States and is probably the best known American politician ever. The likeness and name of George Washington can still be seen in many places in the United States. There is portrait of him and three other American presidents covered into Mount Rushmore National Memorial in South Dakota. His image is also used on the $1 bill and the $quarter coin. The capital of the United States, Washington DC, Washington State, and at least three universities are named after him. Washington's birthday was first celebrated as a holiday in the District of Columbia in 1880. It was made a federal holiday in 1885. The holiday was originally held on the anniversary of George Washington's birthday on February 22nd in 1971. This holiday was moved to the third Monday in February. This holiday is legally designed as Washington's birthday through other institutions such as state and local government and private businesses may use other names. It is federal government's policy to always refer to the holiday by the names designed in the law. Let's talk about today's our nail art design. Show your patriotism on 22nd 20th February 2023 with these red, white and blue nails. Start by painting your ring finger nails with a blue nail polish. Paint the rest of your nails with a red nail polish. Step number second is using a thin nail art brush and white nail polish. Draw horizontal lines on the red nails. Go over the lines in few times to thicken them. These stripes represent the one of the American flag. Step number third is 4 stars. Apply a chunky silver glitter polish nail polish to your blue nails. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful American President's holiday nails is ready to show off on 20th February. I hope you like today's my video and efforts. If you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any query about this design, so please comment me below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, bye bye and happy winter.